How to delete a contact photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone contact page. On this page, you can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on any contact from here. Here you can view and edit this contact information such as the contact photo and number. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Edit below the contact photo. Swipe up on your current photo and tap on the Delete icon below. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete a contact photo on iPhone. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.